Hello and welcome to my latest Ecovagranza video. Today I want to show you Ecostar Exotica, a revolutionary new foil that helps you to create a unique layered look while still being really eco-friendly. Ecostar Exotica is a transparent printable foil made out of cellulose, which is harvested from trees and therefore is fully compostable. We applied a micro-embossing while hot foil stamping the background, which generates a beautiful shiny look and gives the image a 3D effect. Ecostar Exotica can be realized with silver, gold or copper foils and with a variety of different stamps. This means there are many options to make your packaging really stand out of the shelves. For more information about Ecostar Exotica and to request your Ecovagranza sample box, please visit our website ecovagranza.com.